Here's a look at what's going on, and we've got some showers across the Ruidoso area right now, and it's been a pretty good day for storms here. In fact, just outside of Ruidoso, over an inch of rain. So remember, these are areas that have been burn scarred by the Little Bear fire, and flooding is a concern outside of town. Now, right in town, it's not, but it's good to see those storms firing up. As far as what's going on here in the metro, we are getting more cloud cover going here. Most of our showers have stayed east of the East Mountains right now, but don't be surprised if we get storms later on tonight and even during the overnight hours. This could be a prime night to see that happen. As far as what's going on right now, not much. Some spot storms trying to get going around Rio Rancho and that line of storms, which is well to our east at this point. Now, eventually, we were going to fire up a pretty good east wind here through the canyon, and that is going to help to, I think, initiate some storms later on tonight. So we're definitely not done with this, and it's going to be one of those active evenings and overnight hours. Some scattered storms across the north. Some of these storms continue to slide across the southern Sangre de Cristo Mountains down into areas of the Pecos, and then as you get across south central sections of the state, pretty good crop of storms to the west of KRQE, and then as you get up north of Silver City and up into the Gila, we're picking up some pretty good storms as well at this hour. Looking at what's going on a wider view here, the eastern edge of the state is relatively quiet, but as we go into central and western sections, good crop of storms, especially over the southwest. Not as much activity over San Juan County right now. 92 degrees in the metro. We've already got that east wind going. Remember, when you got that storm, which is sitting along and just east of the East Mountains, that tends to fire that wind back through the canyon here. This could well be one of the initiating points for storms later on in the afternoon and evening. 80s and 90s across the north right now. Down to the south where we've gotten rain like Ruidoso, temperatures in the 60s. Looking at the satellite and radar, everything's sort of rotating around an upper area, high pressure, which is sitting now just a little bit off to our north right now. And as it is, it's guiding those storms, which are forming to the mountains and then shooting their way slightly to the west here. But the storm motion is not fast. So the real concern today is the fact that with slow storm motion, you can end up with some flooding here, and we'll keep some juice in place overnight, keep the showers going. Tomorrow, another decent day for storms across the area here, but the high is going to slide back down over us after tomorrow. So that will start to reduce the overall number of storms in the area. Not that we can't see any, but we're not going to see as many. And then beyond that, it looks relatively quiet for a few days before we start to bring more juice in here. And you can see the storm crop tomorrow and into Thursday, not what it is today. So it would be great to get something going today, because that would help us in a big way. 84 Pagosa Springs, 86 in Durango, and 89 in Cortez. Decent shot for at least scattered showers over the next couple of days. Northwest, some isolated storms for tomorrow. Not as much action in this area of the state. Meanwhile, across the southwest, a little better chance of showers here for tomorrow. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s, partly sunny with scattered storms, and then Thursday into Friday, that chance goes down. Across the southeast, the heat's the big story here. High 90s, the chance of showers is there, but I think it's mainly going to be over Ruidoso and Cloudcroft. As you go farther east, the chance goes way down. 91 Springer, 82 in Mora, and 85 in Las Vegas. Some isolated showers possible here. Overnight's the best chance in the northeast. 86 in Taos, 89 in Espanola, and 85 in Los Alamos. Shot at showers not only tonight, but tomorrow afternoon as well. Scattered storms will continue across the East Mountains and finally right here in the metro. Overnight tonight, we'll continue with the gusty winds, chance for storms, and then tomorrow, we're looking at an isolated storm in the afternoon. So our best shots coming in tonight into early tomorrow before that chance goes down a bit by tomorrow afternoon. If we don't get anything going over the next day and a half or so, unlikely on Thursday and Friday.
Okay. Thanks, Mark.